They call themselves anonymous. They are hackers on steroids.
Police say they have arrested 3 suspected hackers believed to be part of an international network.
A group calling themselves Anonymous has vowed to destroy the Church of Scientology.
Anonymous, the group responsible for Operation Payback, which temporarily crippled the websites of MasterCard, Visa, and PayPal.
We are Legion. We are Anonymous.
Greetings, Chesapeake, Virginia. We are Anonymous. We have an important message for Judge Larry Willis of the Chesapeake Juvenile and Domestic Relations District Courts. The Chesapeake Juvenile and Domestic Relations District Courts rapes and robs fathers of their civil rights and all of their money by creating child support orders that force a father to pay all of his income to child support enforcement. Most of the child support orders by Judge Willis are often higher than the person's income. Judge Larry Willis of the Chesapeake Juvenile and Domestic Relations District Courts creates excessive and unrealistic child support orders. Judge Larry Willis creates a child support order that is impossible to pay for working fathers. This forces many fathers to live in poverty and sometimes causing these helpless fathers to turn to drugs or alcohol, leaving them with nothing but suicidal thoughts and severe depression. Child support is by law supposed to be calculated by a person's income and other factors. You, Judge Larry Willis, are not allowed to order more than 65% of a person's income. This is state and federal law. Again, this is state and federal law. This is not allowed. Yet you take everything from fathers, all of their income, all the money they have for food, making them homeless and forced to live in the streets. To take all of a person's income and leaving them with no hope, no future, and no way out. No way out. But death should be a crime in America. You have turned these men into slaves. This is unacceptable. You hide behind the confidentiality of the Chesapeake Juvenile Courts. You hide behind a shield of judicial immunity. Judge Larry David Willis of the Chesapeake Juvenile and Domestic Relations District Courts is known to violate state and federal laws. This is an injustice deep within this court system. All that we ask for is justice. We demand that there be an investigation into the child support cases brought before Judge Larry Willis of the Chesapeake Juvenile and Domestic Relations District Courts. These poor fathers not only have to pay all of their income to child support enforcement, but he also takes away their right to an appeal by setting excessively high appeal bonds. Judge Larry David Willis knows that these fathers can never pay such large amounts to appeal their cases. You, Judge Larry Willis, have caused tremendous suffering and have put fathers in great financial poverty. You, Judge Larry Willis, have turned these men into slaves for the rest of their natural lives. We can no longer allow this injustice. We will help these fathers. You, Judge Larry Willis of the Chesapeake Juvenile Courts, have destroyed these fathers' lives. Enough is enough. As many as 25,000 fathers commit suicide every year over child support. Some of these fathers are police officers, firefighters, and also our beloved military officers. In most suicide cases, the media will find a way to cover this up by finding other reasons such as depression or mental illness, when in fact the depression or mental illness was caused by an amount of child support that they cannot possibly pay. Don't let these fathers die in vain. Do the research and find out these facts for yourself. We must act. We call out all fathers and victims of the Chesapeake Juvenile and Domestic Relations District Courts to rally and protest. Our brothers will unite for this common cause. In the next few months we will watch all of the child support cases brought before Judge Larry Willis of the Chesapeake Juvenile Courts. We must all stand together. Do not live in fear. Do not be afraid. Have the courage to fight and stand with Anonymous. We will have justice for the fathers whose life you have destroyed. We will expose your awful deeds. We will fight for those who can't. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. We are Anonymous.